Good day all. This week DXY technical analysis. Yeah, this week this is 4-hour time frame. Okay. So this week we are expecting initially it will go a little bit up, then it will come down. Maybe I can take one Fibonacci from here to here. You can see. Yeah, maybe it won't go there up to there. You'll see from here. Maybe it can go there a little bit. It will come down. It will form like yeah, like this. So initially scalping is upside is better. So once you reach slowly there, then you can look for a sale setup DXY. Thank you. Yeah, this week Euro USD technical analysis. This is 4-hour time frame. You can remove this trend line. Okay. So we can go for 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. This week it will initially it will give small correction. It will go up. If I take Fibonacci from here to here, understand? Yeah. Maybe up to 272 or 061 yet. Maybe it will reach this liquidity zone. Maybe it will take up to area. Once correction, it will go up. Thank you. Yeah, this week GBPUSD technical analysis. So yeah, I can take sorry. Yeah, maybe it will give small correction. It will go up and come back. And will go up. So initially it will go up actually. This one GBPUSD is good for expanding flat. You know, we can form like expanding flat. If initially maybe can from here it will go up, then from there it will come down and it will go up from there. Once you reach this zone, this area you can look for buy setup. If any correction, something slowly, initially if you go a little bit up, no scare actually, it will give expanding flat, then it will fall from here, it will give some correction or impulsively, then it will go up again. Okay, thank you. Okay, this week AUD USD technical analysis. So I can go 4 hour now. Yeah, okay. Any correction little bit, it will go up. Once broke this line, this one 71 or nearly 708 above and 71, it will fall from here. Initially you can look for buy from this area, then once you reach, you can wait for the sale setup. Any sale setup you can wait from here. Okay, right, thank you. Yes, this week NZD USD technical analysis. So still is not reached that one. Yeah, this week also it will give any correction here. Maybe this time it can give maybe deep correction, then it will move up. So yeah, NZD USD. Yes, this week it will come little bit deep. It will move. Once you reach this area, look for sale setup. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week USD JPY technical analysis. So if I take Fibonacci from here to here, yeah, then it will give any small correction here, it will go up. Maybe, yeah, it will go up. If any give a small correction, it will go up. So once you reach this one, then look for the sell setup. Okay, this is it will form like a regular flat from like this. Then once form this one, then it will fall from here. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Okay, initially you can look for the sell setup after this, buy setup after this correction. Okay, right, thank you. Yeah, this week USD CHF technical analysis. Okay, yes, this is forming still. Yeah, okay, no problem. Now initially look for buy setup, any buy setup, it will buy setup. Look for buy setup, this one. Look for USD CHF, look for buy setup, anything. After reaching this one, be careful, maybe you can close 60% or 50% your trade, then you can keep it, move the stop loss to break even, then look from the sell setup from here. Okay, initially look for the buy setup. Okay, yeah, this week USD card technical analysis. Yeah, this is 4 hour. Okay, I can go for 1 hour. You can clearly look for this one. Yeah, initially it will give a little bit correction here, then it will come down and it will go up. It will go up. So maybe, yeah, we have 4 hour time frame. Maybe it will come a little bit deep also after this correction here. Maybe it will come like around 0.618. From there it will go up. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week gold technical analysis. This is 4 hour. I can go for 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour. Yeah. So after breaking this, you see, it went impulsively. So then it's correcting slowly. Then it will impulse. So it reached there already. So once you broke, is a uptrend actually. Now, if we give any correction here, little bit small correction here, it will go up. So maybe it can reach these areas somewhere or these areas. But look for nice setup or buy setup. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week USOIL technical analysis. Yeah, this week actually, last week what happened actually, because of the war situation, it will completely fall from here. Not given any correction, it not went. But this week I can remove this one. Yeah, already the US-Iran maybe deal is okay. I think maybe positive. Maybe if that is positive, then it will fall more actually. USOIL, it will give some correction. It will go there and it will fall from there. Yeah, once you reach something somewhere here, if I take from Fibonacci from here to here, maybe around this one, this zone, look for the sale setup. Look for the sale setup. It will give a small correction. You can initially go buy setup, but be careful. Once you reach around this zone, this area, then look for the from here to here. Look for the sale setup. Okay, thank you. Yes, this week use the technical analysis. So last week, went the flying actually the US 30. So you're not given any correction, not given any buy setup. So I can clear everything now. This week, see, you can go for a daily time frame. See, it's moving up. But you can take from divergence here. See, but okay, you can go for 4 hour here again. If it will give any small correction here, small correction, it will go up. Once broke this one, be careful, and from there maybe it can fall from here. Yeah, big fall maybe will come. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this week BTC technical analysis. Sorry. So last week what we expected, still is giving correcting, but see, I can remove all these things. My bias still down to reach 55 or 45. So I can clear everything better. Yeah, see this one. You can take one trend line here. After this 5-wave correction, it will broke the trend line here from here. Now this week, the BTC, if we give any correction here, so take Fibonacci from here. If we give any correction from here, it will go up. Maybe after this we go, it will give any correction from here, it will go up like this. So yeah, it will reach this area, this zone area. After this one, just look for the sale setup, but be careful. Situations is fundamentally the war and all calculate. Initially, it will give any correction, you can buy. Look for buy setup. Okay, thank you.